There it is. The new Kindle Paperwhite 2018. Finally it's out. So this is basically a simple unboxing. And here it is, the box from Amazon. So let's get to it. Yeah, 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 it's Christmas time. It's Christmas time. Christmas time. Oh, yeah. Look at that. Bam. The Kindle Paperwhite. Thinner, lighter, and now waterproof. Okay, so, comes in a wrapper. Let's go ahead and unwrap this. Thank you, Kindle, or Amazon, for being so cautious with my Kindle. And nice thin packaging, beautiful, slightly laminated, and yeah, 6-inch touch display, 300 ppi, waterproof, built-in light, Wi-Fi, 32 gigs. Okay, let's go ahead and pop this open. Zip. Slide it out. And what do we got? More beautiful packaging. That's gorgeous if you're into packaging. If not, whatever. So let's just pull that out. We got a cord, no charger, but that's not to be expected. We have the old school micro USB, not the new one. That's better. I don't know. Amazon's really dragging their feet with updating this, but well, let's just put this aside. So there's your cord. There's some simple instructions that basically say plug it in, hit the start button. These things are really easy to work. Go ahead and pop this open. Not a whole lot in the box. Okay. Done. Okay. There it is. The new Kindle. So, check that out. Look. There's some light refracting off the screen. Not good. Here's your power button, your USB button, your status light. Nothing on the sides, no volume. Nothing over here. You have indented Amazon beautifully in the back. It's super light, feels good in my hand. You have Kindle at the bottom here, which is a little different. I read some people complained about that, but let's go ahead and see if this thing has any batteries. So, takes a little while to turn on. Waiting. Come on. Waiting. And I'll hit the button again. Waiting. God, hope that's not normal. That was at least 2 hours. Okay, yes, English. Looks like it's booting up or in pre-boot stage. There we go. Come on, Kindle. You can do it. Well, while it's doing that, let's take another look. Beautiful. Feels great. Not slippery. Just look at the new screen. Flush. That also looks good. Kind of beautiful. Look, I got fingerprints on it already. I don't know if you can see that. Let's go ahead and put my thumb on there while we're booting. And I have a nice big thumbprint on there. Booting. Come on, Kindle. There we go. Let's get started. No, let's not connect to Wi-Fi. But looks like we have to. just dropped in my password and connecting to Amazon. Hello, Derek. Continue setup. Yes, continue setup. Not now. Day trial. Not now. No thanks. No connect. No, I do not want to connect to Bluetooth. Complete Bluetooth setup later. Down there. I just want to read a book or just. Okay, no. Connect later. You can connect to your Facebook. You can connect to your Twitter account for whatever reason. I have no idea. Navigating. This is all the same as before, so I'm just going to kind of speed through this. If you're unfamiliar with these navigation, then you wouldn't want to do that, but recommendations, blah blah blah. Okay, updating your home experience. Alright, there I am. It only took a few minutes to get this thing rolling, so it's just that easy to set up your Kindle, and this is an early look at what you can expect if you get this product. My overall impression is it's beautiful, it smudges, but it's beautiful and lightweight, and it's going to be excellent. Alright, well, if this video was at all helpful or interesting to you, please give a thumbs up and subscribe. Thanks.